This is the VOA Special English Health Report. Americans spend more on health care than most other people. Yet a new study shows that life expectancy in the United States is falling behind other developed countries. In 2007, an American man could expect to live about 75 and a half years. That was less than in 36 other countries. Life expectancy for American women was almost 81 years. They were also in 37th place among almost 200 countries and territories. The Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation at the University of Washington studied the numbers. Professor Ali Moqdad says increases in life expectancy have slowed in the United States compared to other countries.
We've seen an improvement almost everywhere in the world. And in countries that are developed, we're seeing a higher improvement, a faster improvement rate than we are seeing in the United States.
Professor Moqdad says the reason is Americans have made less progress in reducing problems like obesity and high blood pressure. The report also identifies wide differences in life expectancy rates within the United States. The researchers created maps of life expectancy in each of the more than 3,000 counties. Areas with the shortest expected lifespans are largely in the South. Ali Moqdad says researchers know some of the reasons.
Less education, less income in some of these rural counties, more likely to be smoker, more likely to be obese, they don't have health insurance or they don't have adequate access to health care, and the quality of medical care is not as good as well.
In the United States, many public health matters are local responsibilities. Restrictions on public smoking, for example, differ from community to community. Some communities have more bicycle paths and other chances for physical activity, or more places to buy fresh fruits and vegetables.
A long-term investment in your community to increase physical activity and improve diet are needed in this country.
The study appears in the journal Population Health Metrics. Journal editor Chris Murray says at least one finding was unexpected.
It's a real surprise to us in the study that women are faring so much worse than men.
Around the country, American women still live longer than men by 5 to 8 years. But their international ranking has been falling since the 1990s. Dr. Murray says women are increasingly taking risks with their health.
Women are now smoking more. The obesity epidemic in women is greater than in men. Progress in tackling blood pressure is much worse in women.
In other news, the first report on the number of American births in 2010 shows another decrease. Births have been decreasing since an all-time high of more than 4.3 million in 2007. Federal officials say state health departments reported just over 4 million births last year. And that's the VOA Special English Health Report, written by Katie Weaver. I'm Steve Ember.